Let's start today's lecture. Okay, so last time we saw the lot of different commands and we reached to the DB. If you know, if you saw the last video last time, what happened, our database is not drop, right? So let's drop. Before that, I already create the database inside of this. So let's go to the again back your shell. You need to be a you need to be a give to the port and everything I already put. So that's why I'm inside of test directly. Right now this is I am in the test. I want to be see the how many database are present inside of my computer. So I'm using one command that is called show dbs. Okay, whenever you are writing to the show db, we can able to see all database. You can see last time we created as a school database, isn't it? Okay, now what happened, last time if you can see the video, we reached to the over here and the last command only the remaining, that is called to the drop, isn't it? So we already drop a students. Let's drop to the student collection first. Okay, don't forgot that difference between delete and difference between drop. Okay, so delete means what? If you have a inside or documents are present inside of the student is a collection name, right? Inside of the student you have the lot of documents are present. Whenever you want to be a delete a documents inside of that, you are using to the command as a delete. Okay, if you want to delete one, then we are using delete one document. If you want to be use delete many, then we are using to the delete many as a command. Okay, and when we are using to the drop, if you want to be a drop your student or if you want to be a drop your database, are you getting? So let's do that. Suppose I want to be a drop, you can directly drop your student as a database also. Suppose if you want to be a drop database, but before that we need to be a switch inside. Okay, let's see that. If suppose I want to drop my student database, so I'm writing over here command that is called, first we need to write db dot, okay, db dot, then again what we need to be write, drop database. Okay, drop database. Okay, D should be the capital. If you are not writing capital, it will be showing error. Okay, so db dot drop database, and then after what is the name of your database? Okay, my database name is the no, my database name is the school. Okay, let me write that, and after come to the outside, complete this one and use OK button. You can see right now my database is properly deleted. Okay, right now let's check also. I'm using over a show dbs. You can see still it's showing. Okay, let me check that why it's showing. So I will be do one thing. Okay, even I drop that, so I will be close this thing again. I will be open my mongo shell, mongo sh shell. Okay, let me open that again. I want to be use over here 27017. Okay, before that I want to be write also localhost, so mongo db, then after colon again this one, then your local host. Okay, again over here we need to be write port directly 27.17, enter button, we are inside. So let's see, show dbs, enter button, still school is showing. We can do one thing, we can use first database. Okay, use my school again back. Okay, enter button. Right now is switch into the school. Let's first, I think so, delete your collection inside of that. Okay, so how we can delete a collection? We can use over here db dot, after you need to be write a collection name. Your collection name is the student. Okay, students, right? Then after we can write over here drop command. Okay, drop, after bracket open bracket close and hit enter button. You can see right now I deleted the collection which one I have inside of my school. Okay, right now let's drop the school also. So I'm using db dot, okay, then after my what is that, my no, I want to be directly right over here drop database. Okay, database, inside of the bracket we need to write over here that is called your school, right? Now let's check is it work or not. We are entering button, let's check. So it is saying to right now okay, school is dropped. So if you want to be a comeback, control c. Okay, you're right now again one time control c. Let's check it is done or not. Before that, let's refresh also one time. it should be, let's check, cm no, mongo shell, isn't it? Again open, that is your again mongo MongoDB, then after colon over here local host, okay, then your 27017, okay, hit enter button, it should be delete, let me see, show dbs, enter, see, database is not there, okay, it's properly deleted. Many times what happened, it is not showing because of the, it's not because of the command, because of the, what we can say, the interface is not getting, because what happened, even if you're closing and open, still your services are, start in behind, because if you don't know, the first day we started to their service, and that service we never ever stop that. If you can see the services, where we need to go to the search engine and services option we have, right? In that services you can see your mysql is services already, going on. Let me show you mysql, no, mysql not, mongodb one, right? So mongodb m, okay, we will do m. Microsoft. See, MongoDB server is in the running, isn't it? Whenever you switch on the computer, automatically service is on. Are you getting? So you can stop also, but it's a headache for every day. We can come again, start. We need to be again off. So rather than we are not going to be off the service, whenever we switch on the computer, your database already going to be running behind. Okay, so that exactly stuff. Right now I'm closing, you can see I don't have right now my school as a database. So over here I want to be sure that we done. Right now some commands again it will be repeated as per your syllabus. Like which kind of command will be again repeated? Inserting. Insert means what? We are putting to the data inside of that we already saw in the ups, right? Insert one, isn't it? Okay, so let's do again that stuff, because what happened, as per your syllabus they again are doing a repetition, so I will be also doing a repetition same. So in MongoDB you can add a new data into a collection using a two main methods. One is what? One is your insert document, means using by insert one only, and whenever you want to be a insert multiples, we are using insert many. Guys, we already done this. Yes, we already done that, right? If you want to be insert one, so we can create db student dot insert one, right? So this is the same again, it's repeated. So I'm not showing again back, you can watch the video, it's a similar. Let me show you. See over here, if you can going to the up, if you want to be insert one, is it there? Right, because what happened in 10.6 they are declaring over here create, update, delete and together. Over here they are speaking about to the only the insert. Many times what happened, people or the students are confusing about to the create and the insert. Insert also we are inserting data, and create means also we are creating data. Are you getting? Create and insert is the similar. Are you understand that? Okay, so that stuff are there. I don't think so we need to be use again back, isn't it? Okay, now after this one, insert many, that you know. Okay, then after whenever you done that, whenever you put the data, you can use to the command that is called db students find pretty, means you can check that what data you done. Right now they wrote it another concept that is called save document. What is the meaning of save? Save means when you are putting a data, when you inserting a data, you need to be a save. But let me clear that this is a older version are using now, since 2017 or 2018, there people are not using to the save command. See over here, save document. A save doc, the save method is use a insert or the update a document dependent on whether the document is already existed. Note, save is an older MongoDB method and is deprecated in a newer version, but it's still useful to the understand purpose. Means right now we are not using to the db student dot save, isn't it? It's automatically save your data when you are putting to the insert one or the insert many. So right now we do not need to write over here any save as a keyword. Are you understand? Okay, but as per the syllabus they discuss, that's why I put it over here. Okay, now after that another thing